So here is our ProGLOW headlight. It is DOT, SAE, and ECE approved. It comes with a lifetime warranty against LED failure. It installs just like a normal headlight would, with the exception that you have 2 extra connectors in addition to your normal plug. These are part of the ProGLOW system that will plug into your controller that is located underneath your seat. It does have a stock adjuster on it, so it's very easy to aim your headlight just like you would your stock headlight. And it does come in chrome and black. And here's your harness that comes with your ProGLOW XX headlamp, your 2 connections that go to your headlamp, your long length of wire on your harness that feeds back to your controller, and your connection to your controller. Here's your ProGLOW controller with your connections to your battery, your 3-channel output, and your connection to your power switch, which controls your on and off. Okay, we want to show you the Custom Dynamics XX headlight patterns. So here is our running light pattern. So I don't have any low or high beam on right now, so you can see the XX pattern is on all the time. And when I switch the low beam on now, we have our projector in the center on both sides. So you can see the center quadrant lights up with the LED projector. And when I go to high beam, there will be additional 4 quadrants on each side that now illuminate. So a very full pattern gives you a great pattern down the road with now an additional 4 quadrants on each side. So a total of 5 quadrants on each side, a total of 10 quadrants of light projecting down the road. So in summary, the Custom Dynamics XX Road Glide Headlight, the lifetime warranty, plug and play, available in chrome and black, fully adjustable, and available from Custom Dynamics or your local drag specialties dealer.